Hello, my name is Kevin. I'm from Beast Robotics, and today we'll be doing a color wheel experiment. We will be making a circle of the colors of the rainbow, G BIV, and spinning it really quickly to see what the result is. So for this experiment, we will need a blank sheet of paper, some color pencils, a normal pencil, and a pair of scissors. Optionally, we could also have a straight edge, a compass, and a protractor. Okay, so first we're going to use a compass, if you have one, to draw a circle on the paper. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now the next step is to separate this circle into 6 or 7 separate sectors, depending on how many colored pencils you are. I'm using 7, so I'm going to draw this into 7 approximately equal sectors. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you have a protractor, you can more precisely measure the angles. Now next, we will be using the color pencils to color the wheel in order. Here's red. And it would help to try to color as much as you can. And next is orange. Before I continue, I want you to pause the video right now and think to yourself, what would happen if I were to cut this out and spin this really quickly? What do you think I would see? Okay, continuing on, we cut this circle out. And then, using the pencil, make a hole in this middle of this circle. Now, you want to be careful you don't accidentally poke your own finger. Okay, now let's go through. Okay, now, and then next you spin this really quickly. Now. Okay, so what do you see? So when it's spinning really quickly, it sort of appears white. This is because the color of each section represents a wavelength of light that it reflects. For example, the red sector here, this reflects red light, the orange sector reflects orange light, and so on. Now, when you spin this really quickly, the different colors are reflected at the same place at about the same time. For example, you spin this, red will be reflected, then orange, then yellow, then green, and so on. And when all of the colors blend together, they make white. This can be seen in the sun. It displays the colors of all wavelengths, so light of all wavelengths. So the result is you would see white. And moreover, when it rains, after it rains, you can see a rainbow because the water in the air diffuses the light and separates it based on its wavelength. Thanks for joining us. Tag us on social media with hashtag #BeastSemCamp and check in next time for another awesome experiment.